First tonight, a preliminary hearing was scheduled for a man who faces murder charges in connection with the death of his mother and a child back on December 5th.
News Channel 3's Kim Rafferty sat in on that hearing. And Kim, Nicholas Hanshaw waived his rights to that hearing.
Right, Tim, we're dealing with a young boy and a woman brutally murdered inside of an apartment building in Charleston. Police showing up to a horrific scene. Now, Nicholas Hanshaw has been charged in connection with the two murders. Today in court, he waived his rights to a preliminary hearing. I did have a chance to speak with the senior assistant prosecuting attorney about the case. Back on December 5th, a criminal complaint outlines the events that Charleston police say unfolded. A man identified by police as Nicholas Hanshaw went to a car dealership with two kids, saying he committed murder and needed a car. Charleston police say Hanshaw lived in an apartment on Dorchester Road. Police showed up to the apartment to find Hanshaw's mom, Sherry Russell, with wounds to the neck and the body of a 10-year-old boy identified by Kanawha County Schools as Richie Hancock. Police say both were found dead and a knife was found at the murder scene.
It's heartbreaking. We're human beings as well. Prosecutors, law enforcement officers. It takes a toll on all of us.
Charleston police charged Hanshaw with the murder of both his mom and the boy. Deborah Rusnak is the senior assistant prosecuting attorney for Kanawha County. She says Hanshaw waived his rights to a preliminary hearing in court.
We have given him a copy of the police report that we have thus far and some of the evidence that the officers have obtained throughout the course of the investigation.
Rusnak acknowledged Hanshaw's history of domestic violence charges.
I do know there was a history of some domestic charges. My knowledge on that is somewhat limited, but what I have seen to that regard is a pattern of the victims not wanting to move forward with cases, which severely hampers what we can do.
Rusnak says Charleston police and their office have worked around the clock.
We were absolutely prepared. This is a very serious case.
Now, Rusnak says this is a case no one wants to see or walk through again, but for justice for these two, they're working around the clock. In Charleston, Kim Rafferty, WSAZ News Channel 3.
All right, thanks, Kim. Next step in this case will be a grand jury for potential indictment.